Hello and welcome to SPCM 101 Speech Fundamentals. My name is Liz Carlson and I will be your instructor this spring semester. So purpose of this video is just three things. One, to say welcome. Two, to touch on my philosophy, how I perceive education. And then third, expectations of this course. So first, a heartfelt welcome and a great big pat on the back for knocking out some college credit during your junior or senior year. As you know, this is a speech class, but it goes well beyond that. The content is extremely valuable to you as a speaker, but also as a communicator. And as you know, and as you continue to grow in your learning and eventually your career, you will see that so oftentimes success is paramount to our communication skills. So hoping you get a ton out of this course. It's going to be fun, it's going to be engaging, and we're going to knock out some college credit at the same time. So welcome. Number two, my philosophy of education. My perspective is really quite simple, and that is to keep it simple. Make learning simple. Each week, I will clarify 2 to 3 things I want us to focus on, our key learning objectives, and that will be exclusively what we work on in the classroom, as well as what your assignments are geared to each week. And then lastly, when theory meets reality, that's when learning sticks. I really hope that you see the relevancy of this class, that these skills go beyond the classroom and apply very well to life. So that's my second point, philosophy of education. Third, expectations of this course. Textbook. You will be provided a textbook by Brandon Valley High School. I am still in the process of working with Mr. Schleckaway on the details, whether that will be hard copy or digitally. But the textbook will be provided to you. Each week you will be assigned 1 chapter to read. So a very doable amount of reading. Please be sure to actually read that assigned content. That is the foundation of the learning and really will support our discussions in class and make them far more valuable to you. So read carefully. Also, in terms of assignments, read instructions carefully. That is also practicing effective communication. It always is sad for me to see students lose points just because of a simple overlook. So read the text carefully as well as read instructions carefully. Last thing, under expectations, you will have to access D2L, the Desire to Learn learning platform, through the NSU website, as well as have access to your NSU email. This course is offered in Brandon Valley High School, but it is offered through Northern State University, who hires me to come teach to you. So we will work out the details of that. I will give you more instruction the first week of class, but just know you will have to set up your Northern student account to access the learning platform. That will be where all your assignments live, as well as where you submit them, as well as your NSU email. Okay, expectations. Final note under that, the course. We meet Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday on, I was going to say on campus, at school, okay? And then Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you are on your own. So we will tackle the learning objectives in those 3 periods, and then you will have your assignments for the remainder of the week. So you will not physically submit assignments to me. You will submit them remotely using the D2L learning platform. So if it's a paper, if it's an assignment, you will electronically submit that. All of your assignments will be due Sunday night at 11:55 p.m. Okay, so you have the entire week to work independently on those assignments. They will be due Sunday night at 11:55 p.m. and then we will reboot on Monday and meet in class and begin the next week of content. And again, we'll walk through this all together in class. Okay, expectations of me. I am here, I am available. If you need help outside of class, let me know. I'm happy to jump on the phone, have a Zoom call, meet in person, whatever you need. Yes, we will meet in class, but as you know, there'll be a period of days where we do not meet. Please know that does not mean I am not here to help you. Okay, I think that is it. So that was quickly welcome. Short intro to the course. Number 2, philosophy of education, my perspective, and then thirdly, expectations. So we will meet, our first week of class is Monday, January 11th, your last period of the day. I will also be sending out an email with specific details, room number, and so forth. I look forward to meeting each of you. Have a wonderful, wonderful week. Looking forward to it.